Good evening, guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Tonight, yes, I have another review for you. Tonight's going to be a follow-up video of my Zeus care package that they sent. Tonight, I'll be reviewing the 1 ounce beard oil that they sent. Stay tuned and we'll get right into it. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hope you guys are doing safe. I hope you're living your life, even with this whole COVID thing. I'm sick of it. I don't know about you guys. It's just, I don't know. I'm sick of it. Anyway, like I said, we're doing a second video of the Zeus care package that they sent out to me. Tonight we're going to be reviewing the 1 ounce bottle of vanilla rum beard oil. I got the package in. I've used it for about a little over a week, I want to say. Threw it in beard. Last time I used these products, it was forever ago. I didn't like the scent, and I cannot remember it for the life of me. But the scent they sent me was vanilla rum, and it comes in a nice Zeus box. Got my fingerprints all over it. And the ingredients, let's see, safflower, argan oil, vitamin E, grapeseed, fragrance, and it's got the scientific names on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. And the scent is vanilla rum. Now on the bottle open, you get a lot of the rum. At first I didn't like the scent, but after the second day, I mean, it's kind of like you get used to the scent. The rum, I would say, is a little bit strong. If I could change anything about this scent, it would be to tone down the rum a little bit and bring up more of the vanilla. I mean, other than that, it does smell good. Don't get me wrong; it smells really good. But it's just the rum's a little overpowering, maybe. But that's just my opinion. The oil is super clear, as you can see. Nice thick consistency. Feel in beard, it leaves my beard feeling soft, shiny. The scent longevity is a good 7 hours or more. It's that rum. It pops. You get a little bit of the vanilla, but not a whole lot. It's rum mainly, and that's okay. That's okay. It smells good. It works good in my beard. I don't leave my beard dry or nothing like that. Like I said, I've used it for a little over a week. And I also wanted to show you guys that I didn't show you in the first video. They sent me a beard kit. If you guys remember, I'll stick a picture up here. I posted on Instagram. This nice little travel pack. And this is a pretty nice, it's a cushiony travel pack. Meaning it's, on the inside, it's got like a nice soft cushion in it. It's that wide. It's pretty nice travel size. I thought that was a nice touch. You know, you can put all your stuff in there and just zip out the door. But other than that, like I said, I got one more video coming up. That is of the beard shampoo and the wash. I'm sorry, the beard shampoo and the conditioner. I'll give you a little spoiler. That I loved. That I loved. But you'll hear my thoughts on that one in the next video. Zeus 1 ounce beard oil of the vanilla rum. Great product. Scent's great. Longevity is great. I'll link everything in the description box below if you're interested in purchasing some of these products. I want a big shout out to the guys at Zeus for sending that care package. I really appreciate it. As always, I'll put everything in the description box below if you want to grab this kit up. If you guys remember that sandalwood comb, that long 8-inch curved comb, that's a phenomenal comb. I love that comb. That's the only comb I've been using forever since I've got it. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you liked the video, please hit that thumbs up. Until the next review, guys, I'll see you then. Peace.